Hi, Tom here. Welcome to this week's Circle Line Art School Drawing Challenge. One way to draw a modern family house using one-point perspective. If you'd like to learn more, please visit circlelineartschool.com. The first step in this one-point perspective drawing is to draw a horizontal line across your page. You could use a ruler if you wish. Next, draw a vanishing point in the center of this horizon line, and all of the parallel lines that are receding in this drawing will go towards this one vanishing point in this one-point perspective drawing. Now draw a tall vertical line to the left of our vanishing point. And then we can draw another vertical line parallel to it, right next to it. And then a short horizontal line at both ends. Next, using the vanishing point for the receding lines, draw a line to the base of this tall rectangle, and then draw another receding line from the top of the thin rectangle to the vanishing point. Now draw a horizontal baseline for the house slightly above the base of this thin rectangle. We can add another horizontal line to this line to give it a thickness. Next, we need a new diagonal line from the vanishing point to the top of the baseline because we've raised the baseline higher. Next, we can draw a door in the center of the house. Use the new diagonal line that we just drew to find the corner of the door, and then draw a tall rectangle for the door. Use the vanishing point to draw two diagonal lines to the right, continuing beyond the door frame. Next, draw a vertical line. Start from the point where the diagonal hits the baseline and draw a line upwards from that point. At this stage, we have two receding walls in one-point perspective going towards a door in the center of the drawing. Next, we can draw a line at an angle for the roof line of the house. This is a flat roof for this house, so all we need to do is give the edge of this diagonal line a thickness to create a flat roof. Where the left side of the roof sort of touches the tall vertical wall that we drew at the beginning, we can draw a new diagonal line. Next, we can draw a vertical line on the right for the edge of the building. And now we can draw a rectangle on the left for the left-hand side of the building. Next, draw two rectangles for windows on the left. And then we can use the vanishing point to draw a rectangular overhang, a three-dimensional rectangular overhang for each of these new windows on the left. In one-point perspective, we can use our single central vanishing point for all of the receding lines in this drawing. Next, draw a tall window on the far right of the house, near the edge of the house. We could add a thin angled window below the roofline too. This drawing is based on the house from the TV comedy show, the American TV comedy show Modern Family. It's a very interesting house, I think. Now we can add some details to the house. We can divide the windows into smaller areas and draw a series of horizontal and vertical lines in the door area to make the door smaller and to make some windows around the door. When you are ready, it's time to erase some of the guidelines that we no longer need in the drawing. We could add the receding lines to the right of the house too, just at the corners, and a diagonal from the vanishing point to make a path coming forwards towards us. Next we could draw some palm trees, as this is California. I'll draw a tall palm tree here. You might need to think where to place the tree in your drawing. It just needs to be a tall tree trunk with some thin palm leaves at the top. Next, we can add a second nearer palm tree. We can use the vanishing point to place where the base of the second tree goes by drawing a line from the vanishing point through the base of the first tree and then continuing that line, and anywhere along that line we can draw another tree if we want the trees to be parallel. The second tree needs to be bigger than the first because it's nearer us, the viewer of the image. The next stage in this drawing is to add some more plants in the garden, and then I think I'll add some coloured areas for some parts of the drawing. If you'd like to learn more about these drawing challenges, please visit circlelineartschool.com. Thank you very much for watching this drawing. I post a new drawing every week. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit circlelineartschool.com to learn more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.